Selecting the right infant car seat is the most critical safety decision for new parents. Our 2026 guide focuses on top-rated models that balance rigorous crash test engineering with the daily convenience features required for modern, on-the-go parenting lifestyles. The Graco SnugRide. Lite LX is designed for parents who prioritize a lightweight build without sacrificing safety. Weighing in at a fraction of standard seats, it makes carrying your baby from the car to the house significantly easier. It features a 4-position adjustable base to ensure a level installation in various vehicle types, and is Protect Plus engineered to help protect in frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes. The studio aesthetic offers a clean, modern look that fits seamlessly into any vehicle interior. The Doona remains a revolutionary all-in-one travel system that transforms from a car seat to a stroller in seconds. This Nitro Black edition is perfect for urban parents or frequent travelers who want to eliminate the need for a separate stroller frame in the trunk. It meets the highest safety standards as both a car seat and a stroller, featuring double wall structure for side impact protection and integrated wheels that deploy with a single motion, making it a premier choice for convenience. Safety takes a front seat with the Graco SnugRide Snug Fit, which includes an integrated anti-rebound bar to provide an additional layer of rear-facing safety by limiting rotation in the event of an impact. This Gotham model features a no-rethread harness, allowing you to adjust the headrest and harness height in one motion as your baby grows. The SnugLock technology ensures a secure latch installation in less than a minute, making it one of the most user-friendly high-safety seats on the market. The Evenflo Shyft dual ride in Durham Green is a sophisticated hybrid that allows the stroller frame to stay in the car or travel with you. What sets the dual ride apart is its versatility. You can shift from a car seat to a full stroller without disturbing a sleeping infant. It comes equipped with a carry-all storage bag for baby essentials and sensor-safe technology, which provides real-time alerts to your phone regarding the child's safety, temperature, and buckle status. The Baby Trend EZ Lift Plus addresses the physical strain of carrying heavy car seats with its innovative built-in ergonomic side grip. This design allows for a more natural carrying position, reducing the load on your back. The Ultra Gray seat is surprisingly lightweight and includes a multi-position base with a level indicator to ensure the perfect angle for your newborn. It is an excellent budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on the essential safety features required for infant travel. From the revolutionary integrated wheels of the Doona to the enhanced anti-rebound safety of the Graco SnugFit, these 2026 models represent the pinnacle of child passenger safety. Choosing any of these ensures your newest family member travels with maximum protection.